Can you even imagine a planet without communication? It would look like a silent ball. Well, everyone on this planet is trying to communicate with someone. Even birds and animals have their own languages. But there are very few people who know how to communicate effectively. So if you want to become an effective communicator or speaker, you need to understand first what communication is and what is the communication process. Because we all know the importance of communication when it comes to our personal or professional life. And this is what I'm going to discuss today with you guys. If you are interested, stay tuned till the end of this video. The term communication originated from the Latin word communicare, which means to share. And we can define communication as a process of sharing ideas, informations, thoughts, feelings, and emotions with other individuals, group of people, or organizations. Well, after discussing the definition part of communication, let us quickly discuss the communication process. So communication process includes a sender and receiver. For example, right now I am trying to convey a message to you. I am a sender, and on the other end you are receiving my message, so you are a receiver. In real life situations, communication process is more complex than it sounds. It consists of a series of elements. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, there is a sender. Sender is the person who sends the message. He is the one who initiates the communication. He generates the message and sends it to the receiver. In the next stage, encoding takes place, where the sender translates the information into some words, signs, or symbols. While encoding the message, the sender has to choose the right words, symbols, or gestures that he believes to have the same meaning for the receiver. Now the sender has a proper message in his mind. Now the message has to travel from sender to receiver through a proper channel. Channel is actually the medium used for transmission of message from sender to receiver. There are various channels like telephone, post, TV, radio, internet, etc. And the choice of channel depends upon the message to be conveyed. Decoding is the next step. Here the receiver converts the message into information and thoughts and tries to analyze and understand it. For effective communication, proper interpretation of message is very much important because misinterpretation will lead to the distortion of the message. Receiver is the person or group of persons to whom the message was conveyed, and he is ultimately the one who receives the message. When message travels from the sender to receiver, anything which hampers the communication process is called noise. There are 4 different types of noise. The very first one is physiological noise. For example, hunger, fatigue, headache, etc. Second one is physical noise. So noises coming out from the external environment are called physical noise. Third one is psychological noise. When you are preoccupied or mentally disturbed, this is an example of psychological noise. And fourth and last one is semantic noise. Semantic noise is the use of unnecessarily technical languages or jargons, which is generally difficult to understand. And the last element is feedback. Feedback is receiver's response to the sender's message. Unless the receiver responds to the message, communication process is incomplete. I hope you understood the concept of communication and the communication process. I'll be uploading more such interesting videos on different topics. So if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.